Hey guys, JD here, and today we're looking at the new Kawi Performance Fuel Pump Mod Kit for 2022 Plus Kawasaki Ultra 310 jet skis. Stay tuned while I talk about the features and benefits of this new fuel pump. So here's a look at some of the hardware that comes with the KP High Performance Fuel Pump Mod Kit. Now keep in mind, this kit is the only one on the market that will allow you to run a high flow, high performance aftermarket fuel pump on your 2022 Plus Ultra 310. So that brings us to Kawi Performance's 250 liter per hour at 55 PSI fuel pump assembly. The Kawi Performance high flow pump assembly produces more than twice the flow of the stock Mitsubishi UCT35 fuel pump as seen here on the right. If you wish to run a high flow pump but don't want to void your ski's factory warranty, everything you do with the KP Mod Kit can be reverted back to a stock configuration very simply with no permanent modifications to the pump assembly needed to complete installation. This custom designed aluminum fuel pump housing not only securely fastens either standard or high flow pumps to the OEM assembly, it also acts as a heatsink reducing fuel pump temps. I have a full installation tutorial, so if you want to check that out before you make a purchase, it'll give you an idea of exactly what you need to do to get this fully installed in your Kawasaki jet ski. If you're familiar at all with the new fuel pumps on the 2022 Plus Kawasaki Ultra 310s, then you know that the stock fuel filter bag is very small, and Kawasaki has the audacity to recommend that this filter bag has a 25-hour replacement interval, which we think is absolutely ridiculous. And so Kawi Performance responded to that by doubling the size of the filter bag. For most applications, you're going to want the standard Kawi Performance Mod Kit. That includes this high flow, high capacity filter bag. Not only did Kawi Performance fully design and engineer the fuel pump mod in-house, but they also test it in-house. They subjected both their standard and high flow pump assemblies to a variety of tests designed to ensure that fuel pump performance exceeded OEM specifications. When it came to their high flow pump, Kawi Performance subjected this to additional testing to ensure that it meets the fuel demands of high boost, high horsepower applications. Another major benefit of the Kawi Performance fuel pump mod is that it sits lower in the fuel tank as compared to the stock fuel pump assembly in the video above. By sitting lower in the tank, this low pickup allows you to tap into that extra reserve in the bottom of the tank that the stock fuel pump assembly just can't reach. Not only do you get longer filter life, a higher flow, high performance pump, and a deeper fuel tank pickup with the Kawi Performance fuel pump mod, it also costs a couple $100 less than the OEM replacement assembly. This is another high quality, top notch part from Kawi Performance, and I've got this now installed on my personal ski. I highly recommend you check out the install tutorial to see how it's done and what it entails. Thank you for watching. Special thank you to Kawi Performance for supporting JD's Waterworld and Kawasaki enthusiasts everywhere. For more information on Kawi Performance products, visit them online at kawiperformance.com. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content only on JD's Waterworld.